Hey, it's Chris again with C&H Auto Accessories, and today, finally, I got it. What am I talking about? I've been waiting and waiting and waiting. I made some videos of this at the SEMA show and the Keystone Big Show, but I finally did my own. That's right, I'm here at the store. We just installed our very first, what is it? Well, before I get going, that's our telephone number if you have questions. And before I go, like and subscribe. So come on over here, buddy. What do we have? We have a Ram 1500. And what do we have on here? We got the Bak Industries Revolver X4TS T. T, what are you talking about? T, what's a T? Well, as you know, I've done a lot of videos with the Revolver. Love this cover, looks good. Look at low profile. Man, that sits right there. I mean, it's like this much above the bed. Looks great, but the T is this fellow right here. It comes with a built-in T-slot. Now you say, well, what are we gonna do with T-slot? I'm glad you asked. Come over here, this is my truck. I have T-slots, and look at all the stuff I can do with the T-slot. You can put a nice little tie down here. As you can see, I can put the low racks, which probably don't work as well with that one, by the way. But the Elevate system, which goes from 18 inches, 23, all the way up to 28 inches, this would work really good with that cover. So let's come on over here. I'm gonna show you how everything works. So let's go ahead and open up, see. Now, what's nice about this, there is a driver's side and passenger side release mechanism. So if you're standing on any side of your vehicle, you can release it. Why is that important? Well, as you know, some videos show me just opening from the driver's side because they don't make one for the passenger side. So if let's say you're driving down the road and you have to pull off to the side of the highway and you got all the traffic coming this way, you might not want to be on this side of the truck to open your cover. You might want to swing around the other side. So that's what's nice about it. Now take a good look here. I don't know if you can see this. This is a big fat seal. Now, why is that important? Well, that big fat seal helps keep Mother Nature, that's right, we're talking weather, we're talking rain, anything else you don't want in the bed, this will help keep it out. Is it waterproof? No, that's right, I'm saying no, that's right, it's not waterproof. It's not a submarine, but it's a great water resistant cover. So weather resistant, water resistant, you want to call it, this is one of the better ones here. Now, let's go ahead and roll here. By the way, they did change the color from silver to black, so that's a little nicer. All the hardware is black, so it matches the interior here. Now, if you look here, right where my hand is, it's not metal, it's actually kind of like a rubber thing. That is to keep the temperature of this from getting your hands hot. So if you're opening it up, you're not gonna go, it's a little hot. Now, if you look in here, there is a strap here. So you can drive with it open. Of course, that's real important. If you want to put your Harley Davidson in there, you're going to Bike Week, and you need to put your motorcycle back here. Buddy knows what I'm talking about. He rides, I ride. We sometimes want to put our bikes in the back if we can, and this would work really well. Another thing I like about this, besides giving you full access to the bed, you notice your rear window is not covered. That's right. If you have cameras up there, it's not covered. You can look at your mirror there. You have you can see out the back, which is really nice. I like that you've got full access here. I tell you, it's a great setup. Super easy to use. So let's go ahead and undo this here, there we go. You can just let that hang there, and you just go ahead, roll it down here. Now, before it closes, I don't know if you can get over here, your camera, buddy. I want to show you how this thing locks in place. See that little silver fella right here? That's going to lock the entire track. That's just not one spot or two spots or three spots. This goes in that little groove right here for the entire track. So it's going to be really secure. Now, this is going to have a 400-pound capacity. It also is going to have a 5-year manufacturer warranty. Now, this customer had us to install it, right? So why is that great? Well, A, we know what we're doing. And B, your warranty is not going to be 5 years. It's going to be 10 years. That's right, double the warranty with this. Extra 5 years goes a long way. I had a customer the other day, had a cover, and it was 6 years old, and he was having problems with it. And I said, don't worry, you're still under warranty. And he goes, really? I go, did you buy it from me? He goes, no, I bought it from the guy down the road. Oh, sorry. I felt bad for him. Like, if you bought it from me, it would still be under warranty. Unfortunately, he couldn't take advantage of that. So this customer is taking advantage of the extra warranty. And on top of that, we're gonna give you 1-year labor guarantee on everything we've done installation-wise. So we cover what we do, they cover the parts. The nice thing is, it's a great cover with great company, with great people covering all of it. Now, if you don't live here in Florida, you say, oh man, what am I gonna do? I don't live in Margate. How am I going to get this? Not a problem. You can call us. That's right. You can go to the website. I'll put a link of this product on this on the bottom of this YouTube channel, so you can click right on, go right to the website. You can order it, or you can call us. You can talk to us on the phone, which I do recommend. You can talk to Buddy, who's behind the camera. You can talk to John, our general manager, Joel, or myself, Chris. We're all here to help you out. You might have some questions about the whole setup, and guess what? We know the answers, and the right ones too. Again, we got you covered with the cover. We'll send it anywhere in the country, or just come here. All in all, you're in good shape. And this is a review of the Revolver X4T, right? Bak Industries on a Ram 1500. I'm Chris with C&H Auto Accessories. Thanks.